Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss about find factors of numbers within range in C Sharp. This is continuation for part 8, finding factors of a given number in C Sharp. Please go through previous video before going through this video. In this program, if you provide input as 5, then we will get output like below. Factors of 1 are 1, factors of 2 are 1, 2, factors of 3 are 1, 3, factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4, factors of 5 are 1, 5. Here we have steps to create program. First step is read input from command prompt, launch Visual Studio and create console application. Console dot write off, please provide input value. We need to read input from command prompt, use console dot readline, console dot readline and assign to integer variable int input. Here readline method returning string, but we are trying to store it in integer. We need to convert string to integer using int.parse method, int.parse of console.readline. Next step is declare for loop to iterate values within the range and declare methods to find factors. For int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to input I plus plus. Next declare method to find the factors, find factors and pass input value I. Next step is implement logic to find factors of a given number. Inside the method we need to write logic like declare for loop and check input value divisible by value from for loop. Implement method public static. Here find factors method returns multiple values. We need to return list of integers, list of int, find factors of int input. We need to find multiple factors, so here we need to use for loop. For int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to input I plus plus and check the condition it's a factor or not. If input modulus I equal to 0, then that number is factor. We need to store multiple factors, so here create list of int lst equal to new list of integers. Here add all factors to list lst dot add of I. Here I am getting error, not all code paths return a value. That means here find factors method returning list of integers, but here we are not returning the values, so here return lst. Once we provide logic, we need to return all the values and store into variable. Here this method returning list of integers, so store it in list of integers, list of int result. Once we get all the factors, we need to print using for loop. Here declare for each loop to print factors from return variable. Console dot write off factors of I are for each int j in result. Here result list contains integer values, so here we declared integer variable. Console dot write off j. Will execute this program without debugging, that means control F5. Please provide input value 5, enter, and we are getting output as factors of 1 are 1, factor of 2 are 1, 2. We need to format this output, so here write console.writeline. Now execute this program, control F5, 5, enter. We are getting output as factors of 1 are 1, factors of 2 are 1, 2, factors of 3 are 1, 3 and so on. We need to print some space between these integers. Here provide space, control F5, 6, enter, and we are getting output as factors of 1 are 1, factors of 2 are 1 2, factors of 3 are 1 3, factors of 4 are 1 2 4, and so on. We will debug this program. To understand the flow of the execution, go to debug and start debugging or F5. Later click on step into or F11, put breakpoint here and here, go to debug, start debugging, F11, please provide input value 5, enter. Here int I is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 5, true. F11, it goes to inside. Here we are calling the method with input value 1, F11, here input is equal to 1, create empty list. Then using for loop we will calculate factors. I is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 1, true. Here input 1 modulus 1, it is a factor, add to list. Here list contains one factor, F11. Now I is equal to 2, 2 less than or equal to 1 false, it exits from for loop and return the value F11. Now here we are printing the factors of 1 are F11, result is here we have one factor, so get the value and store it j variable and print factor. Here factors of 1 are 1, F11. Then afterwards we need to go to next line, so here we write console.writeLine. Now cursor in next line, F11. Now I is equal to 2, 2 less than or equal to 5, true. Then passing to find factors method, I is equal to input 2, so int I is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 2, true. Then here 2 modulus 1, it is a factor, add to list, F11, I is equal to 2, 2 less than or equal to 2, true. Then 2 modulus 2, true, that is a factor, add to list. Here list contains two factors 1 2, F11, and print the factors. Here we have output as factors of 2 are 1 2, F11, and goes to next line. Now I is equal to 3, 3 less than or equal to 5, true. It will continue up to this condition false. We will stop debugging, control F5, 10, enter, and we are getting factors from 1 to 10. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.